The original sin is to be God without God. Looking in the mirror like a narcissist. What does it mean to be a saint? As I said, take yourself off the throne and put God where God belongs. And venerate and worship Him. And then have respect and love for those who are a reflection of God, your brothers and sisters. The original sin, brothers and sisters, is pride. Pride is such an insidious sin that can live inside of humility. The person who presumes and presents himself so humble and calls himself humble is already proud of his humility. So what does pride do to us? It hardens our hearts. And the hardness of hearts leads us to two things. It makes us sinners who do not repent, and it makes us sinners who do not forgive. In order to soften our hearts, we need to recognize by humility that we are poor and hungry spiritually, that we are sinful. And second, we need to be able to measure other people's spiritual well-being against our utter spiritual poverty.